Hello, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Absolute GH. Today we are going to make condensed milk toffee. That is Ghana condensed milk
And
toffee.
they are very Ghana condensed milk toffee. So these are the ingredients: condensed milk itself, nutmeg, and then margarine. You can use butter. If you have butter, it's best. But since I don't have butter, I'll use margarine. And then I have a cold water here, what we normally call ice water. So in the end, then you buy condensed milk. Now condensed milk, you buy here condensed milk na nkasa. You buy here nutmeg, we me chew half. And you buy here margarine so kakra. And in soup ice water, you the test there. I don't know why you another oye. Into young corner and start. So what I'm going to do is pour my condensed milk into the saucepan, and then add my nutmeg to it, half. And then I'm going to add my margarine to it. I will then add the margarine to it. The margarine has to be room temperature. I took half of what was in the bowl. So I'm going to on my fire and start stirring. Please remember, when you start stirring, you don't have to stop for anything. Or if you want to stop to do anything, then you have to lower the fire to the barest minimum before you leave it on fire. So I've on my fire.
I'm going to start stirring. I will continue to stir and stir and stir. You don't have to stop stirring. And the kernels of the saucepan too. As time goes, so you have to scoop the kernels so that the kernels don't get burnt. Once the kernels get burnt, it will affect the toffee. So once in a while, or as you keep stirring, you have to keep scooping the kernels, and you don't leave it like that. Nti ɛbɔ nunum dɛm ara ɛkɔsi dɛ adze no ɔbɛyɛ thick kakra. Nti ɔreyɛ thick no na start dɛ ɔyɛ thick a na start dɛ ɛrecheck how a ɛpɛ dɛ wo condensed milk toffee no ɔyɛ. Nti sɛ ɛpɛ dɛ ɔyɛ soft, ɔyɛ bɔkɔbɔkɔ a, ɔno enunum kakra a na atest wɔ nsu no mu, ice water no mu ahwɛ. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the notification bell so that you always be notified when I upload a new video. At this stage, I lowered the fire to the barest minimum because I didn't want to burn my condensed milk, so I lowered the fire. So now I'm going to test whether the toffee is okay. So I took a little bit and put it in the ice water or the cold water. So as you put it in there, in less than a minute, you check whether it has hardened or it's at the texture that you want. So as I checked, it was almost as I was expecting. So I quickly off the fire and then put them in the plates, like so that it can get cold fast, and then for me to roll it. Charlie, it's hot too, so when you are rolling it, be very, very careful when rolling it. So thank you.